Khublei shibun ya pi ki parlok ki peja kane ka video bat ha kane ka video ngin batai pi ya ki training bala penlaj da ka Directorate of Employment but CRAFTSMEN Training Department of Labor ha ki district of affair bat phila ban apply ya kane ka training na banta ki tu ki bala pendap ya ka class 8 pass shanang te peja kane ka video ngin pensai pi ki ek kirteng jokini ki training ki job role but kumno phila ban register ya kane ka training te worklet ban ailaj ya kane ka video but kumjuro but subscribe ya kane ka channel te token ni sedang no menta ha kane ka video ka Director of Employment but CRAFTSMEN Training Department of Labor ka court registration ni pi namenta ki skill training ha ki punchat ki sektor lane job role ka badai ha Shillong Jowai Clearat Risubel para Sora Badha Nongpo telada pidon ke interest pila aban pendap ha ka Google Form jong ka Directorate of Employment but CRAFTSMEN Training but ka link labu a description jong ka neka video but ya ki registration la pli ya baro ki interest kandidat ya kitu ki bladep ya ka class 8 pass shanang te mentang ni page ha ki major sector cover kabankong kadai ha ka Director of Employment but CRAFTSMEN Training Industrial Training Institute Women Shillong but ka job role lane ka training kadai ha ka basic cosmetology associate data entry operator food beverage service training but associate desktop publishing kabar kadai ha ka Director of Employment but CRAFTSMEN Training Initial Training Institute Restubel para but ka training lane ka job role kadai ha ka associate data entry operator Khublei kadai ha ka Director of Employment but CRAFTSMEN Training Industrial Training Institute Sora but namanta ki job role ki long ha ka electrical technician food beverage service training assistant plumber general but helper mason ka basau kadai ha ka Director of Employment but CRAFTSMEN Training live kra Shillong but ki job role ki long kumne assistant technician solar panel installation graphic design associate camera but accessories handler associate desktop publishing but ka carpenter basan kadai ha ka Director of Employment CRAFTSMEN Training Jowai ki job role ha kane ki long kumne arovida technician customer care executive domestic voice spice processing technician secretary but process food entrepreneur kabanreu kadai ha ka Director of Employment but CRAFTSMEN Training dan keti Shillong but ki job role ki dai ha ka assistant hairdress lane stylish front office assistant food beverage service training housekeeping attendant pastry lane bakery assistant but kap kadu kadai ha ka Director of Employment but CRAFTSMEN Training Nongpo but ki job role ki dai ha ki street food vendors tanalun craft baker but assistant electrician te lada pidon kamon ban register yakini ki training phila ban register lengba ka Google Form jong ka Director of Employment but CRAFTSMEN Training Department of Labor te lada phikwa ban tip ya ki detail bakhabnya phila aban lech ki office jong ki Director Employment but CRAFTSMEN Training Meghalaya te hakne ka video tangkini jim tip Khublei shibun